Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, August 31st, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. I'm getting this out a little late. This was not a video I wanted to do. We closed out August today. I'll talk a little about August statistics, but let's just talk about what happened today. We closed out 8 positions today with negative $15,000. That's following the pattern we've seen many times before, that it gets worse from where it was yesterday on the close to when we close those things out. Then we get into new stuff. 15 positions today, 3 positive, 12 negative, and we're carrying negative $6,700 going into tomorrow. So, it's just negative, 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 negative. And there's absolutely nothing to talk about. So let's talk about, as far as showing you other stocks. Yeah, just nothing goes right. We finished August with negative $58,000 in losses total. It's kind of interesting. We had, it's been horrible all month, except starting on August 23rd, we got a rally going, and we actually had 5 consecutive winning days, and we trimmed those losses to negative 20,000. Still negative, but $20,000 is not terrible loss for a month. But then these last 2 days we dropped $35,000, so that puts us negative 58,000 for the month of August. Again, this has been so frustrating. We came into 2021 and we had 2 really good months in January and February, and then for the past 5-6 months it's just been torture. And our drawdown actually isn't that bad. It's under 10%, believe it or not. But it's just, we went from the end of 2019 to the beginning of 2021, we racked up 16 straight winning months. Unbelievable. That's just never happened to me before. And it was just like we could do no wrong. And we went from nirvana to this 6 months of just not being able to make a cent and being drawn down. And it's just, it's going from heaven to hell. And that's what it feels like. And all I can say is offer a little tidbit of encouragement here, is that if we get away from that perfect trading that we had from those 16 months and look at my trading going back to 2009 and moving forward, it has always been my experience that, or usually been my experience, that summer months tend to be tough. And there's the old saying about sell in May and go away, and it's like after May things just are really pretty crappy until we get to September. And then September, October, November, and December things pick up and we get a boost at the end of the year. I just hope that happens. because we still have good overall percentages because of those first 2 months of January and February this year. So if we could just string together maybe 3 good, solid winning months in these last months of 2021, we would still have a really good year. But I tell you, the last 5, 6 months have really been tough. And August, yeah, August was just horrible. And it wasn't the worst month I've had. It isn't the worst month we've had this year. But it's because we're waiting and waiting for a turnaround that seems to never come. And that is why it's so frustrating. So, as I say, I have no stocks to trade. I'll be back here tomorrow on Wednesday trading as usual.